Good morning, BSD. Today is Wednesday, March 6, 2024.
Please rise to the Pledge of Allegiance in a moment of silence.
Today's orchestra lessons are violas during first period.
Junior high band lessons today are trumpets first period and tenor sax, trombone, and euphonium second period.
Attention YAG delegates. Our next meeting will be tomorrow during 7th period. Please make every effort to attend.
Today's lunch is hot roast beef sandwich or cheeseburger on bun, mashed potatoes with gravy, corn, juice, and milk.
Attention students signed up for AP Lang next year. Mrs. McGarvey will have a preliminary meeting in her room 119 on Thursday, March 7, 2024. Please attend if you are signed up for AP Lang next year.
Congrats and good luck to those going to Region Chorus, Bree Carrier, Ryland Davis, Lucas Gaston, Gannon McMaster, and Issa Troutman.
Attention Humanities Club members. We will be holding a meeting this Friday morning about the DC trip. We will be discussing trip details and reserving museum tickets. Attendance is required. Location to be decided. Also, we have one seat left for the DC trip. Interested students should see Mr. O or Mr. Wells.
NHS is having a King Crunch fundraiser to be delivered just in time for Easter break. See Mrs. Taylor or an NHS member if you would like to order.
Now check out today's outfit of the day.
Okay, my shirt's from Aerie. These I got from Plato's Closet, and these are Nike.
Sweatshirt is from Carhartt. Jeans are Levi's, and shoes are Hagen's.
I don't know where I got this hoodie. These pants are from Pants Store and these boots are from Boot Store.
I think Dunham's
For your shoes?
and Nike and Dunham's again.
I start low-key with Dockers and the pant. Louis Vuitton belt, Gucci shirt.
And now, get ready for Wrong Weather Woman Wednesday.
Good evening, I'm Grace Molnar. Thanks for joining us. It is looking like sunny skies with temperatures hovering right around 110 degrees. It looks like there are going to be some extreme wind conditions coming from the south. Whoa! Tomorrow, it looks like things are going to be cooling down for us with temperatures hovering right around negative 15 degrees. For today, make sure to remember your sunscreen and stay hydrated. Thank you for watching my weather segment, keeping you up to date on the current weather situation. I'm Grace Molnar.
Today is National Dress and Oreo Cookie Day.
When you start your day with gratitude, everything falls into place with grace and ease.
That's all for us here at RNN. Brookville, have a great Wednesday.